guys, I have COVID. I have COVID for 4 days. I just get the test yesterday at in summer drive-thru here in California. Even I have COVID, I could taste. If you feel that when you wake up, I felt that I have this when I wake up morning of Monday, because I have a work Saturday, Sunday. I have it, and then my back is painful. If you feel like that, and then you feel headache and sore throat, immediately drink a lemon. I drink lemon every 4 hours, 1 lemon, so your taste buds will still be there. So drink lemon so that your taste buds will not go away. You can even taste. So last Monday I drink lime and lemon. I drink 4 limes and 2 lemon every 4 hours. I squish a lemon, a fresh lemon or a lime. One every 4 hours, and drink a Tylenol. Because if you don't do it, your immunity system will gonna be low. And then I drink also vitamin D, so my body can adapt, can fight. Even I have 2 vaccine, the first dose and the second dose. It's nice also you have to drink lemon. So hope this will help you guys. And when you feel sleepy, you rest, and drink a lot of water. I have a sore throat. And I'm giving out phlegm every hour or every 2 hours. I spit the phlegm, so it's nice that you spit it out and drink a lot of water if you can, so that the bacteria, the COVID will go away. Your, what do you call this, your lungs will not have holes, because my son, he doesn't drink anything. So for me, I drink a lot of water and lemon, so he can adapt me. For I am a breastfeeding mother, so he get the energy to me. So never stop finding cures. Now I could taste. So you put the lemon here. There. Put that here. And sleep. So guys, if I can post, I'm still alive. So please take care. It's very painful. So I just continue drinking lemon and honey or lime. Every 4 hours I drink 1 lime and or 2, and feed my kids as well, because all of us, we have COVID. I got it from my job. This is day 5. Now I feel a little bit better than yesterday. And this is the diaper of my son. I just drink a lot of lemon juice or lime and a lot of water. If you can make it 2 liters of water or 3 liters, do it. Because my son doesn't eat food or drink a lot of water, so he just breastfeed at me. So what I did, I drink a lot of lemon juice and water, and I eat fruit. I eat blueberry fruit, so we can recover. And this is the diaper. He pee a lot. But he right now, he doesn't drink a Tylenol. Right now, her temperature, when you see it, it's low because he doesn't drink Tylenol in the mouth. He just do the suppository. He doesn't drink vitamins. He doesn't. He cries when he drinks vitamins and any medicine. So we do the suppository because that's the recommended by the doctor. Day 5, drink lime. Drink until you get better and COVID strikes.
Things you need when you have COVID.
I have a COVID. It's my 7th day right now, and the things you need when you have COVID is the gun, thermometer, and also the oximeter. Oximeter is the one who measures the oxygen level of your body. So you need this one, and the heart rate, because so this is the pulse oximeter. We got this at Best Buy for around 30 plus, and actually this oximeter level is very good because it also helps to measure our oxygen level. Because when you have COVID, you have sore throat and sometimes you feel hard on breathing. But for me, in able to catch my breathing last time, I was drinking a lemon or a lime for every 4 hours. I drink one lime because I'm a breastfeeding mother and the throat is very itchy. So the use of this to monitor your oxygen level. If the oxygen goes less than 90, if you're quarantined, you have to bring yourself to the hospital so you will stay alive. If your oxygen level is below 80 or below 90, you have to go to the hospital. This is a big help. So this is your palm, you put it there, and then it will check your oxygen level. So my oxygen level is 98 and my heartbeat is 72. So that is my oxygen level. So guys, you have to have this. You can buy this also in other pharmacy or CVS. We bought this because we have also kids.
Apple, two. Not me.
And we like to monitor ourselves as well. And if you have Apple Watch in Series 6, there's a oxygen reading as well. Or you have 7, Apple Watch 7. It also have oxygen reading also. But in Series 3, they don't have it. So we buy this one to check our kids. So you can see the temperature is low because we put a suppository on his butt. So his sickness will gonna turn to low and he will be healed. So guys, pray and drink a lot of water and lemon or lime. If you're in the Philippines, drink a lot of calamansi juice or orange. Okay, guys, if you feel alright because you drink a Tylenol, try to half bath so that you will not feel very low, so your energy will reverse. So wash your body if you can. A quick shower only, it can help to not to be feel hot on your body, and drink a lot of water and because it will help you to be strong. And never stop praying as well. To our friends who sent us food from Amazon, thank you for this Amazon food. And to our friend who sent us from Abel and Jenny, and also from and also that they send us a food from Rusty family, and also to our friends who sent us from Amazon broccoli cheddar soup and tomato basil soup. And they can also send you fresh items from Amazon. It's lemon and banana, strawberries from Amazon. So if you have a friends who have COVID or who are in need, you can send them from Amazon Fresh.
This experience reminds us to take care of our health and also in our family as well.